So you decided you want to make money with Kinsta affiliate program, and you want to learn if it's actually worth it, what is the commission, and also what are some strategies that you can use to make money with Kinsta affiliate program. So my name is Marcus and I love creating videos like these about various affiliate programs. And if you're gonna have any questions about affiliate, ask it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to create videos about it. Also, two things, I have like the best tools that I use to make money on the internet, and you would find it down below in the description. And also I created the masterclass, the free strategies that I use daily to make money on the internet, thousands of dollars monthly. So let's just jump into the Kinsta affiliate program and how it works, what you can learn there, etc. So Kinsta is one of the best affiliate programs in my opinion for web hosting, even better comparing to Bluehost, Hostinger, SiteGround, etc. And I'll explain you why. Only because they are offering the recurring lifetime commissions. So how the other web hosting programs works? They offer, let's say that, okay, for sign up, you're gonna get $70. Okay, but then that's it. So what it means is that Bluehost, all those hosting companies, they're actually earning a lot of money because after the first year, first 2 years, whatever, they are going to increase the prices many times for the customer and you don't earn anything from it. On the other hand, with the Kinsta, it's different only because you earn 50 to 100 after every sign up based on the type plan you refer. We understand users might not convert right away. That's why we provide, they got 60-day tracking cookies. So that means that if someone is going to click on my link and then they're going to leave and they're going to get like later 30 days and they're going to buy Kinsta, voila, I have money from it. So you get 10% commissions recurring through profit sharing by giving a recurring commissions for the lifetime of the customer referred, enabling you to build passive income. Less than 4% churn rate. Kinsta customers rarely leave, and you can have with PayPal. And you can have like also the calculation here that you can use. So let's say I'm going to refer 20 new business for, and let's look on our pricing plans, Kinsta pricing plans. And we see right now here that people are going to with the starter or pro. And you can have monthly or yearly. So right now, let's say I'm going to have a starter. And every month that I would have like 20 people, in October, I'm already at like nearly $2,000 monthly. So that's like pretty good. Now, when we look on a Kinsta, the two things that I always check out are popularity of the program, of the tool. And the second thing is that we're gonna like focus on not only popularity, but we want to look on our reviews. So Kinsta reviews of other people, if they actually like it. So we see right here that we see the G2 4.7 rating. That's like really good. Trustpilot 4.32. That's like really amazing. And when we look here, Kinsta on a tool program, we see that it's like rising pretty good. Now, what are some things and what are some strategies that you can implement to actually win with Kinsta? That's like another thing. The first thing is that you can create articles, blogs about Kinsta, how to migrate from another tool to Kinsta, how to secure Kinsta. You can create tutorials about Kinsta. So you can have the best, I don't know, best tools or like Kinsta tutorial, how to set it up, the Kinsta pricing plans. So when I come here, you can have like video on Kinsta pricing plans. And then like, let's see how to easily migrate your WordPress website to Kinsta, how to create a WordPress website. And you can also comparison videos, Kinsta versus Cloudways versus VP Engine. Kinsta review. And you see like plenty of people actually like they got videos here, but you can get there too. I really believe in that. So Kinsta is like the first way, and then you would like recommend for people to use it. And now what I would also recommend, you can check the competitors. So when I come here, Kinsta versus, I can look on Pantheon. Or I can go with I don't know, DreamHost, right? How to set first website in 9 minutes, DreamHost review. And you can easily just focus on hostings. And what would be my recommendation is don't have don't do it in a way that you're gonna have only links there. My recommendation is have a site, have something in which you can have the list of the best affiliates, and people are going to click there more comparing to have it on the links in the description. That's what I found out about the affiliate marketing on YouTube, how it actually works. So that's something we want to actually focus on. Now, to summarize this whole video, and what do I think about it? Kinsta is a good product with really great reviews, with really amazing commissions, and like having the option to have the recurring commissions. Like even if you would get big, so 45 subscription, you see that if people are going to have even better plans, you would earn much more money. And when we go even further, so we can come here and write, I don't know how it's called, a similar web that we can actually check for the popularity of Kinsta. Okay, and we see that slowly they are increasing. Okay, last month change, nice. And we can check age distribution, also from where are most people coming from. And then you get also other tools here that you can create content about. So that's pretty much it. Now I can go like easily ahead, like also Hostinger here. And these guys got much more comparing to Kinsta when you look on like 4 million more. And they got a lot of people from India. Look at this difference. Like Kinsta got a lot of people directly from the United States, and Hostinger got it from India. So that's like interesting one. And that's pretty much it. Definitely check the masterclass that I created down below in the description. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.